Athi mangintshela ngathi mina MK akudlalwa, it's a spiritual organization. Iyazenzela yona. If you are wrong, MK uzophuma umesayidini. Please mark the dates now. Siyabalanda MK prayer. It means those who were doubting MK and they were scared and they are cowards. Shembebe amakwala bathe bezwa kuqhuma isibhamu sithi go. Eish. Badawutha babaleka abanye babuyele emuva. Baba ngaba bakhutlethe morago bagotlela ko NC ko EFF baba ngaba re ya ko ethomileng entsha. Then we decided Nali President, His Majesty President JZ Zuma, we've decided to come up with something called Siyabalanda MK prayer. In Sisuthu or Setswana Irrabalata MK prayer. Kasivenda Havalata MK prayer. And Kadi 30. I want you to write down this. You remember, I think it was on the 25th or on the 25th, we were in Soweto, Ejabavu. We've managed to get 500 members. And then Ratsamaya Rayako Mapumulo. We've managed to get 3,000 members. Then we went to Mangus. According to you, you know that we managed to get 12,000. Actually, it's 14,000 members. On the 30th of August, we will be in Sedibeng. I'm not saying the number, but we will get the number. Too much. The next following day, the 31st of August, we will be in Kwakwa, Free State. We will get not less than 20,000 members. On the 6th of September, interesting one. Run, Ramaphosa, run. Run, Ramaphosa, run. Run, VPS, run. Run, my VPS, run. Run, my VPS, run. We are indeed in Venda, Thohoyandou. We are in Thohoyandou in the district or in the region. Yeah, Vembe region. Vembe region. You know, VPS, you know the region. That is your region. That is your region. Re batla o tseba gore ba o tseba na. And re batla o tseba gore who's more powerful, you and me? Because I'm working the ground there and I'm already there and I was there. I spent the whole day in Thohoyandou, Vembe, and 6 September I will be collecting 30,000 membership, and I have 8,600 membership. Yako Venda, Ramaphosa, my VPS, MK, Haidali, 6 September, mark the dates. 20 September, we are in Buffalo City. Buffalo City, East London. Already, the president is moving all over the country. Then first week of October, it's not yet confirmed because I'm still working on it. Mpumalanga. Hello Mpumalanga. Hello Mpumalanga. Siyabalanda. And we will make sure that we go to these places where they're saying MK cannot go. If you want us to come in your city, in your province, 071 130 7808. Dr. Ketleles. Don't take it personal. We are moving. This is a movement. Don't take it too personal. This is politics. You get excited, you get angry or you get frustrated, but we are moving. Asidlali, we are heading towards 2026. If you still have that tendency of making Iwati to fight, or the province to fight, or the sub-region to fight, it is not the time. Right now, we are working the ground. No more time to play. Wati, no more time to play. We are moving. Forward ever. Backwards never. Forward, the spirit of struggle, forward. Down with the cowards, down. We believe in you and your forces. We believe in them. We believe in our leadership. From Pezul officials till to the VT level, we are believing in our leadership. Mandla, forward this video.